What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So Samsung has filed a new patent to, it looks like, rival the upcoming Motorola RAZR phone that they're doing. So this is pretty interesting. So the design kind of reminds me of the one we saw from Sharp. It almost looks kind of exactly like that one, but this one flips outward. So the one from Sharp flipped inwards, this one flips outward. As you can see, it sort of rolls up, and I guess you can use it as a half screen. So it's a very interesting design. Now there's not a huge advantage of having a foldable kind of flip phone style phone, but it just looks very cool. And I think the biggest advantage actually is people with small hands that want to kind of use a smaller phone most of the time, and then they want to open the phone up when they're watching videos to use the phone to enjoy content on a bigger display. So I hear that a lot from commenters that they don't like big phones. This could be the best of both worlds, which is pretty cool. So what do you guys think of the design of Samsung putting this out? You guys think they're going to put this in the Galaxy S11 or 12? Be sure to let me know if you have any thoughts, and I will catch you guys in the next video.